The Fisher TAD system has several benefits that are unique. They are patented and you're not going to find them anywhere else. First of all, our system has 4 different TAD types, and these are specifically designed for the different areas of the oral cavity. So what TAD you decide to use depends on where you are placing it and what you're trying to accomplish. The bone in the palate is different than, say, the bone mesial to the first molar in the mandible. And through years of testing and scientific research, our team has created TADs that are specifically designed for these differences of bone density in the oral cavity. There are also different types of tissue in different areas of the oral cavity. And this TAD system was designed with these differences in bone types and tissue types and with orthodontic mechanics in mind. This is not a one TAD fits all type of deal. It simply does not make sense to have one TAD design for all areas of the oral cavity. Each of our 4 TAD types has a unique thread design with a specific purpose. Secondly, our system has a cannulated driver. Before insertion, the TAD is threaded with a steel ligature and then fed through the cannulated driver. This serves 3 purposes: safety, convenience, and stability. Because the TAD is secured to the driver with a steel ligature, there is no chance that you could drop the TAD into the patient's mouth, causing them to aspirate it. Should your mechanics call for the TAD to be tied in with a steel ligature, it's already tied in when you remove the driver from the head of the TAD. It can be extremely difficult to thread the steel ligature through the tiny hole in the head of the TAD after it's already been inserted. This cannulated feature allows for improved TAD stability because there are very low tolerances between the driver and the head of the TAD. So after insertion, the driver slides off the head of the TAD with ease. Now, there are other systems on the market where these tolerances between the head of the TAD and the driver are way too tight. So after insertion, when you attempt to remove the driver from the head of the TAD, you must wiggle the driver shaft from side to side. Now, in the bone internally, this is causing tiny fractures, which can lead to a reduction in TAD stability. A certain number of TADs are going to fail anyway, so you wouldn't want to increase your chances of failure upon insertion. Our system is the only one on the market with a patent-pending base or a platform for added stability. The base is important because it's responsible for the stability of the TAD. When the base is seated on the cortical bone, it transfers the force from inside the bone to the surface of the bone. Research done at a leading university proves that because of this patented base on our TAD system, that the Fisher TAD system is the most stable system on the market.